Well, I cleaned out my area that I was doing. While I was doing that, I found all these stems that I really need to get away. I think I will do the same with the other stems. Let's get that box. All this is what I will be giving. I know that I have a lot of people at work that loves to craft, and a lot of them are practically brand new. I use them, but I keep clean. These are not so good, but I know that they can use anyway. I think I clear a lot, trying to keep this to the minimum. So now I have a lot of space, and it's what I really use. This is something that I have to clean. That's what is in my planner here. Let's see if I do today. I still need to just bring the vacuum, and I need to vacuum these and all the other rooms. I stopped on the stickers and the stamps, and then I went through papers. All these I have for years. I'm sure that if you used to watch my videos, all the crafting videos and everything, will know that I have these for so many years, and to be honest, I don't use. So I would make happy somebody else. Okay, I know that maybe for a lot of you will not look like a big change, but look at this. 1, 2 bags. Then I found things that I need to put on the basement. These two. This is for doing my fixing the wallpaper on my bathroom. That is an old Cricut that I think it's time to get rid. Then I will clean this and play computer game. First I want something to eat or drink. Somebody's cooking something delicious here. Oh, great. For later. Getting ready to edit one video. I was watching TV videos too, and I will get some coffee and begin doing one of the videos, and then do all my shorts. I have a lot to do, and I really haven't done too much. Let's see what I can do. I'm looking for music for my videos. At the same time, I have a little companion here. Oh, are you getting bored there? Are you getting bored? I know. We will play in few, okay? Let mommy get this done. The fish are doing very good in the new home. I hope they are happy. They're in groups. They are looking for each other, making friends, and maybe babies in some point. So we are good. And yes, my husband just left. Now I have to continue doing my cleaning. He went to get Chinese food. So now this is the part that I have to take care. He has so much things, and of course he never wants to get rid of anything. So let's put this here, and let's throw away the old shirts. He will not notice that happened, trust me. He is the kind that just accumulate shirts. He always say, that's my favorite. So I will keep the ones that I know that he's using, and I will throw away the ones that I know that he is not using. Let's do it. Get rid of this. He doesn't need so many of in and out and all the soft ones. This is a big mess. After the big storm, all these went down. So let's see how much I can rescue from here now. And I think that some of them are not good. And this monster, I have to be careful. The other day it was a spider there, and while I was trying to move the spider, he ran away. He ran so fast. I have to run behind him like crazy because he didn't stop. So now he knows that he better be good or he get in troubles with mommy.